In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Office Online on OneDrive. We'll walk through creating a Word document right from OneDrive and sharing it so others can collaborate with you in the browser. This is great when you want quick access from any device, no installs, and automatic saving to the cloud. Start by opening your web browser and going to the OneDrive website. Once you're signed in, you'll see your files and folders. This is your hub for anything you store in the cloud, and it's where Office for the web lives. So you can create and edit documents directly online. Look toward the top area of the page for the option labeled Create or Upload. Upload is for bringing existing files into OneDrive, but today we're focusing on making something new. Click the Create or New option to open the list of available Office apps. From that menu, choose Word Document. A new browser tab will open with Word for the web, and a blank document will be created and saved to your OneDrive automatically. You can start typing right away. You'll notice the save indicator at the top. Changes you make are saved in real time, which means you don't have to worry about losing work or pressing save. When you're ready to share this document online, go to the upper right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing pane where you'll set who can access the file and what they're allowed to do. In the sharing pane, click Settings to fine-tune access. This is where you control link permissions, such as whether the link works for anyone with it, just people in your organization, or only specific people you choose. Depending on your account, you may see additional controls like setting an expiration date or restricting downloads. Use these options to match the level of security and convenience you need. Next, click the Can Edit option to set what recipients can do. Leave it as Can Edit if you want people to make changes with you in real time. If you only want them to read the document, switch it to Can View so they can't modify your content. This is a simple but important setting for controlling collaboration. Finally, decide how you want to share. Click Copy Link to generate a link you can paste into a chat, message, or email. Or choose Send to others to enter recipients directly and include a short note. Either way, they can open the document in their browser, and if you allowed editing, you'll see their changes appear as they work. That's it. You've created a Word document with Office Online on OneDrive and shared it for easy collaboration, all in the cloud with automatic saving.